Hello everyone, in this video I am giving you the short overview on the Photon bot for Solana meme coins. So basically in Solana the Dexscreener is very slow, and I am telling you the fact because the chart that they are showing is very slow and the Dexscreener is very slow as compared to Photon or Bullx. So in this tutorial I am going to share you a Photon overview, how you can trade on Photon and how you can quick buy, and how you can manage a good coin like this one. Like they have a top 10 holder, LB1, freeze auth disabled, mint auth disabled, and like that. So in this video I will give you a short overview what is this Photon and how you can actually use it. So first of all, if we see the filter section, it is similar to like Dexscreener. So I will make a video separate about this top 10 filter that I use on Dexscreener. So basically if you just do these checks, it will show you like in the Dexes section it will show you like this thing that they are from different Dexes. They are showing the coins from different Dexes that are recently new arrival, you can say. So we need in Photon, basically we need to trade on pump.fund, because the pump.fund is the trending one right now, and I think it has so much volume as compared to Radium or Moonshot. But Radium is also good, and after the pump.fund the token is graduated to Radium blockchain, Radium exchange, sorry. So Radium is also a very good, and if you just do this Radium, so both of them are very good. So see, the token was initially launched on pump.fund, then it transferred to Radium. So same thing happened over here. If we see, the token is launched on the pump.fund and then transferred into Radium. So these are something that you need to know. If you just off the quick buy, you can see you cannot buy the anything. And if you just open the quick buy button or click on the quick buy button, you can set your Solana value. Like if I buy one Solana, I want to invest on this coin, so you can buy it from like this thing. So currently I don't have any Sol balance right now, so I cannot use. This is my demo account that I am using. So if you just click on S2, S3, it will show you like the S3 pair, S2 pair and S1 pair. I will cover a separate video about this, and let me just check the created by like 1 day ago. And volume, if you click on the transaction, you can see how many transaction is happening in 23 hours, or which coin has the highest transaction, and you can see the like current scenario. So basically I will use content created and volume, audit result and action. These are all dependent on you. So which one are you searching? I will give you an overview on this section, and let's go to the trending section. So this section is also very important, in which you can see the latest trending coin that is trending on Photon, and Photon play a very important role on this, and it will show you like I can give you a comparison about the Photon and the Dexscreener, what is happening. If you just copy the address and click search on the Dexscreener, you can see that what is happening on the chart. Let me just check. Yeah guys, if we just click on the 1 minute chart and 1 minute chart, see, if we just see the comparison like 1 second, and I will show you on the 1 second time. See, let me show you the exact thing what is happening here. If the coin will get pumped, if we see like the coin is trading at the 904k level, 906k, and then a pump happened. See, there is a too much delay on the Dexscreener, that is no one telling you guys. So I personally like to trade on Photon. It is very fast and responsive as compared to Dexscreener. So I just give you the overview of the Dexscreener also on my other video on YouTube. So you need to watch this also the video. And let's head over to the Dexscreener. So if we see the trending coin, you can say the trending pair and this like 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 minute. So these are the basic filters that I just tell you on the new pairs also. So if we go to the meme scope, you can say the meme scope is very important because it will show you the wave 1 coin, which is the newly created, wave 2, wave 3. So basically I just divide this into wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 for your understanding. So in newly created, you can see the newly created coin on the pump.fun, which has the like you can say, which has a probability to go to the graduate into the wave 2 segment. So wave 1 coin have requiring you can say less amount of money. For example, if you invest 1 Solana and the coin the coin graduated about to graduate section into the coin transfer to the wave 2 section, which is the about to graduate. So your 1 Solana will turn into like 2 to 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's all depend on what you investing, but wave 1 is very hard, so you will be difficult. It will be very difficult to find a project on the wave 1 which is newly created. I will also make a video on this, how you can find a good wave 1 coin with this filter section. So guys, in the meme coin trading, you need to be very clear on the filter section, and you have to get a proper knowledge on filters. Like I will give you some filter suggestion that you can use for newly created. And in the about to graduate, these are the coin you can say that have a potential to migrate, like this one. This is the Cori migrating to the graduated section, then it will go to the radium. So basically it was on the pump.fun, when it's just about to graduate, then it will transfer to radium, that I show you guys. So if you invested your 1 Solana, it will become your 10 Solana, then the 10 Solana will become your 100 Solana. For example, I am just giving you an overview. It will be like 1x, 3 to 4x, then it can be like you can say 10x, then it can be 100x. So these are some things that you need to know about this section. So yeah, I don't know the purpose of this section, preset S3, S1, S2. I don't find this very useful. I don't use these things actually. So this thing, oh my god, what the fuck they are showing like. And let's go to the order section, guys. In the order section, you will know your order. It is similar to like Binance or a decentralized exchange. You see Coinbase or something like that. You can if you have a knowledge about crypto, you can say it will show your order, which order you place. And the holding section, it will show you your holding, like how many meme coin that you are holding and how many coin you have sold. So these are the something like you can see. And this is the Photon point listed on the like wallet addresses. It is not kind of very useful. It show you the best trader or best position holder on the Photon, and these are some things that you should understand. And if we go to the setting, you can set your slippage value and priority fee and bribery amount. So you need to copy my slippage setting. I will also make a dedicated video about this, and how you can maximize your returns and everything. So these are some overview about Photon in 10 minutes, and it is a basic understanding for you guys I want to give. And I will make a second video about the Photon top 10 Photon filter that you can use on every meme scope. Like on this one, I will show you the top 10 filter about the newly created, top 10 filter about to graduate, and top 10 graduated filter. Like if we see this for example and overview, you can see don't go for the moonshot because it has a chance of it has not widely used. And like if we go just see top 10 holder with at least one soul share and holder count like 1000 to 100,000 by dab holding like 10% by sniper, like 10% by age like 1, and by current liquidity like if we see here like this month by volume like 1 million. And let's go to transaction. There is no data. See, I put so much filter. So basically these are some tweaks that you can do. Like let me check this one. It is not showing. And then if we just see less the holder, for example, and sniper liquidity, let's check. So it is not showing, guys. Let me just do another setting. Yeah, now it's showing. So basically if we just play with this filter, you can find actually a good coin, or like you can I will probably do not recommend you guys to turn on this option. So basically you need to turn off this button. If you buy mistakenly, you will lose your capital. So don't turn this shit on. See, I have mistakenly clicked on this shit, and if I have my other account, if I have my other account like 10 to 4 Solana, it will it will place my entry. So don't do this shit. It is shit purposes. Like if you have money like 2000 4000, you can spend it. Then you can spend it like 0.1 Solana on every coin. Then if your one coin is pumped, then you can do extra money. So this is for this purposes, for gambling purposes. But we are not here for gambling. We are here for calculating risk and take our profit. We are here for this. Okay. So if we just go with top 10 holders and yeah, let's do this thing. Yeah, now we think we find a good project. Yeah, let me show you another thing. If you just click on this picture section, it will show you the coin is like a scam or something like this. So it is also good. But now I will figure this thing that for this chart section, and it is also similar to the Dexscreener, and I will also share you this setting on your right side, your panel setting, in which you place your order and sell your position. So I will make another video. Like if we see just the transaction, like how many transaction and how many buy and sell is happening right now. So basically it is showing you that there are many people that are buying and selling. So minimum amount like total USD. If we see that total USD, we will see the big order like 9.7k buy. Like people are buying this shit. See, like people are mostly buying. If we see the selling order, the whale are selling and the sharks are buying. You can see like, so there is a chance. Yeah, see, the rug is happened. Guys, the rug is happened. It is actually alive. So see the how much volume it gain, and then the coin dump. So you need to avoid these type of shits, guys, and you need to be very careful when you're investing your money on this, because you are gambling on this type of shit. So I would probably say you guys like they lose all of their money. Oh my god, guys. So be careful. So that's it for the video on the Photon, and I will share you more detail about how you can use this filter section on Photon and find actually a good meme coin that you can easily trade with. So make sure you guys like and subscribe for more, and follow me for more videos. and just you guys are showing me so much love on my videos. Thank you so much, and it is helping me a lot, and I will work very hard for how I can improve my video quality. And I am not good in the video quality, and I know, because I don't do these kind of stuff on YouTube. I don't want to show you guys these things, but when I see there are many people that they are in the crypto, that they invest their saving, so they lose all of their money because they watch something on the YouTube, and then they are just investing their money on these type of things. So guys, please stay away from this. If you want to actually make money, then invest your invest your capital that you are not saving. That is basically for your food, or you can, if you are hanging out with your friend, you are spending money, so then you have to not go with your friend and spend that money on this thing. So I would recommend that you don't invest your saving and invest that thing that you can lose easily, so you will be very happy. So don't invest your saving, and avoid rug pull, avoid scammy YouTubers. And that's it for the video. Stay tuned for more, and guys, Merry Christmas. Thank you.